What we need AI to do is to be able to support teens during the writing process, similar to how student tutors do, and similar to the model of working with peers to improve your writing. Work through things, have a meaningful conversation, and even be able to critically engage with their feedback at times. So I had the idea to create Clara, an AI tool that serves as a writing partner to students, so like a peer tutor or coach. Clara does not replace the teacher, but instead provides additional support, in the moment, tailored to each stage of the writing process, where students need it the most. Clara is rooted in Socratic pedagogy, meaning it asks thoughtful questions that students can engage with, deepening their metacognition and executive functioning skills. Importantly, Clara doesn't write for students. The student doesn't prompt Clara, Clara prompts them.
To use Clara, log into the Write the World community, select a prompt, and start writing. When you're ready for feedback or want to brainstorm ideas, click Invite Clara to start the conversation.
An example of this dynamic is that a teen might realize they want to improve a specific paragraph, so they ask Clara for help. Clara can help them to reflect and pinpoint what they're struggling with. Clara can also provide specific feedback and work either within the context of the assignment, the prompt, or in the case of a classroom context, the teacher. And Clara can also help the student to improve their writing process overall, not just individual sentences or phrases in a piece, meaning teens move beyond the grammar and mechanics to think more deeply about all elements of composition and craft.
What I love about Clara AI is that it doesn't just spit out generic content. It actually helps me improve my writing style and think more critically about my ideas.
This was the goal of Clara, to create a tool where the focus was just as much on what Clara doesn't do as what Clara does. We want to center the authentic voices of young writers and maintain strong ethical values. We want to encourage their critical thinking and organization skills, which are strengthened by actually working through your writing and experiencing productive struggle. But at the same time, we also want to make sure young writers are improving along the way and have access to individualized support and a way to deepen their engagement. Clara is progressing to achieving these goals and more. Teens and educators can use it for free on writetheworld.org, the global online platform for teen writing.